Guys, their squad name is Alpha Squad. Sorry, I forgot to put that in. Enjoy.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Sam back with another video. Today I'm going to finally show you guys my completed clone commando squad. So let's go in order. So first, I'll zoom this guy in. This is Spark. He has leg printing. He didn't put back printing. And he is the computer, like the mechanic of the group. Just give him a regular Star Wars blaster. Nothing special on his face. The next guy that I made, his name is Delta. Nothing too special. This was the guy that I just made. He has yellow and black, which I really like. He's almost like Gregor. You know how Gregor has this type of backpack? And I gave him the minigun because he is the heavy guy. So, next, we're going to go on to the leader. This guy's name is Hunter. He has this green cloth. He has like stubbles and a mustache, but it's just fading off. I'll redo that soon. He just has a regular backpack, and this is what he looks like. Okay, finally, guys, we have the sniper of the group. This is Red Eye. The reason why he's called Red Eye is because you see he has that red mark on his eye, and it might be hard to see, but here, I'll zoom that out. He has a pistol on his back. So he has some arm printing on both sides. That's what they look like. So guys, this is what they look like. And also, I want to show you my 2 commando droids. I'm gonna buy more. Like, I don't know what's about these commando droids. They look just like so cool. So if you guys ever watch the Clone Wars, this guy is Unit 26. If you guys know what the famous Rex scene in the Commander Droids, Unit 26, is that you? And then this is just a Commander Droid Captain. I'll take this off, so this is just a random machete that I got, which is a sword for the Commander Droid. And I got this to connect this to the back. So we got Unit 26, and then the Commander Droid Captain. So in all, we have 6 commandos, 2 droids, and 4 actual commandos, like clone commandos. I want to get, I'm not sure, 5 more, 7 more. I definitely want a few more of these guys. Here, let me zoom that in. These guys are sick. I don't know what's about them, they just look so cool. So I'm just gonna zoom in one by one. Unit 26, Spark, Delta, Hunter, sorry, I can't remember, I'm stupid, Red Eye, and then just the Commander Droid Captain, who looks absolute fire, guys. So that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you like these clone commandos. This might be a late upload, but tell me what you guys think about them. Did I do well? And I just did Sharpie for them, if you guys were wondering. I already made a tutorial how to make them. That was probably like a month ago. That's when I made Spark. So if you guys were wondering, I'll actually link that video. It's not the best quality. I didn't have a tripod then, but that's gonna wrap it up, guys.